All right, hello, my fellow investors. City Intelligent Investor here. And before we start this video, just know that this video is sponsored by Acorn. So use the link in the description down below to sign up. I'm telling you, I don't recommend something I don't use myself. I've been using Acorn since 2016, and I'm telling you, you will not regret it. You're going to look on 5 years from now and you're going to say that this was the best decision of your life. I'm telling you guys that. Now, because this video is sponsored by Acorns, what I'm doing is if you guys sign up with Acorns with the link in the description down below, you can send me you can show me that you did that, and I will personally give you some financial advice. I will set up a meeting with you, and I will do a free consultation, free of charge, all that good stuff. I'll go through if you want me to help you out with your debt or your finances. I'll do that and go with you through that. If you guys just want to set up a portfolio with stocks that fit you, I will go through that with you. I would help you find the best stocks, for what you're looking for. If you're looking for day trading stocks or swing trading stocks or long-term investments, I'll do a portfolio just for you so it can be set up the way you want it, and we'll do a one-on-one. So again, this video, like I said, it is sponsored by Acorns, and this is because of Acorns. So let's start off with the video.
All right, so before we start the video, I'm just going to let you know that we are talking about cryptocurrency today. But like I always say, only invest where you're willing to lose. I'm not here to give you financial advice. Um, and like I say, I'm only here to give you my opinions, and you do what you do with your own research. But yeah, let's jumping into this. I'm going to be talking about cryptocurrency. Now, what do I think about cryptocurrency? So first of all, what do I think about Dogecoin? I think it's stupid. I think it's all hype. I don't invest in it because, it has no value. So I don't invest into things that don't have value. You can do it, and if you make money from it, then good for you. Keep doing it. Um, but the only cryptocurrency I've ever invested in, and I will invest in, is Bitcoin. I did end up buying Bitcoin at $60 per Bitcoin, and I ended up selling at 17,000. So I made good profit from there. I mined some of it back then, and again, like I said, I made a good return, and I sold it off, and I didn't look back. After that, when it hit about 17,000, it crashed to that. It crashed down to like 10,000, and it crashed down to like 2,000, and then I guess eventually it went back up, and now it's at 47,000. Now, if you were subscribed to me, I did do a video 2 Sundays ago about Bitcoin. I jumped into it at 30,000, and why did I do that? I knew that Elon Musk was going to do something with Bitcoin. He was kind of throwing hints out there that Tesla was going to be accepting Bitcoin, and they were possibly going to invest in it. So I decided to pull the trigger. I got about $10,000 worth at 30,000. And right now, those $10,000 is about $13,000. So, that's all I'm going to invest. I'm not going to dump any more money into it. So, why am I telling you this? Because I feel like Bitcoin, like I said, don't jump into it unless you feel safe. I'm not giving you financial advice, but this is my thought. What I feel like what's going to happen with Bitcoin, because what Elon Musk did, he invested about, what was it, 1.7 billion into Bitcoin or something like that. And I feel like Bitcoin is probably going to end up hitting about 100,000 by the end of the year, between 80 to 100,000. And I feel if it hits that, then between the next 7 to 10 years, I feel like Bitcoin is going to be worth about $1 million. And I'm not playing around with you here. I'm not BSing you at all. This is what I think, and this is what my prediction is. And from the math that I've been doing, I feel like it can actually hit that price. It's becoming more and more valuable. The government does not control Bitcoin, so they cannot tax you on this. They cannot do anything with this. So I think it was a smart move that Elon did, and I feel like it's gonna blow up because of it. I didn't have any interest in Bitcoin at all until Elon Musk kind of put the thought in there. And like I said, I've personally met Elon Musk, and he's a great guy. He's a really intelligent person, and I trust him a lot on what he does. And if he sees the value in Bitcoin, I see the value in Bitcoin as well. I'm still debating into what's going to happen with Bitcoin, but that's my prediction of what I feel. I still think it's going to have a pullback, and it'll probably drop, But that's where people need to build a better mentality. So like let's say people that are buying it at 47,000, it might drop back to 40,000. So if it does that, don't get scared, don't panic. What you need to learn to do is to do the long term. And that's what a lot of new investors that are coming into the market don't have. They buy a stock, and just because it drops down, they start panicking and they want to sell. When you jump into the market, you guys are not going to become wealthy in a day. Okay, just understand that you're not going to become wealthy right away. Um, so, got to dump some money in there, let it be for the next few years, and see where it comes. It's a tough thing to do because you always want to see that thing go up, but it's not going to happen like that all the time. And that's what I've learned too. I'm 29 years old. I've become really wealthy because of the stock market. And I learned also the hard way. I lost a lot of money when I was young because I was constantly trying to make quick money. And every time I saw my stock come down, I couldn't emotionally take it. So I kept selling it. I kept losing money. And then I used to look back and see that same stock a few weeks later shoot up. And I was like, gosh dang, why did I jump out of it? And I constantly kept doing the same mistake because my mentality was bad. So I had to, I ended up losing a lot of money in the stock market. And eventually I learned how to keep something. Bitcoin was one of the things where I got lucky because I bought Bitcoin. I kind of forgot about it. And then that thing shot up to like 17,000. I remembered that, oh, crack, I have some Bitcoin. So I looked into it, sold it, made my profit, and I made a good chunk of change. So I did get lucky in a few things like that, but my wealth also came because I stayed in the market. I rode out those heavy times and I built the mentality, read books, and became strong mentally to actually succeed. So that's one thing that I want you guys to really understand. If you guys invest into Bitcoin, you buy it at this high price, it ends up crashing a bit, don't panic. Your outlook is about 5 years from now. If you're going to want to make big money, you got to make big sacrifices. So for me, I learned that. If I want to make about $5,000, I have to invest about $20,000 and make a good swing trade. Those $20,000 can make me $5,000, or those $20,000 can lose me $5,000. So it's easier to lose money than make money. That's one thing I want you guys to understand as well. So again, patience with the market would always help. And I feel like Bitcoin is the one that is the future. I feel like Dogecoin honestly is going to end up dying. I feel like all these other cryptocurrencies are not going to do as well. Bitcoin is always going to be the dominant one, and it's the one that's going to stay ahead. But understand that Bitcoin is a huge risk as well. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys did like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. But please, guys, subscribe. It'll motivate me to do more videos. I mean, it's really late right now, and people were requesting this video. So I just, sucked it up and did the video. So if you guys want to keep motivating me to do more videos and help you guys out, then please subscribe. Help me hit 5,000 subscribers. Like I said, I don't get paid to do these YouTube videos. I'm not YouTube famous. I'm none of that. I'm just here, a guy that has knowledge about the market, that struggled through the market, that learned, that made a lot of money, that gained a lot of experience, that became a financial advisor, then became a stockbroker, and is trying to help people out now. People that, aren't doing so good in the market. I'm trying to help people just become successful and make money because, I didn't come from the best place. I was a lower middle class person, and hard work paid off. And I feel like, if people can work hard and actually try to learn this stuff, then they'll be successful. But not everybody's going to be successful because not everybody builds a mentality to be successful. So that's pretty much it, guys. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.